Can hackers access your account without a password? Discover the truth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be discovering the truth on whether hackers can access your account without a password. Ever wondered if your password is the only thing standing between you and a hacker? The truth might surprise you. Let's dive into the world of passwordless attacks and how to protect yourself. We've been taught that strong passwords are the ultimate defense. But what if I told you hackers are finding ways around them? It's not about guessing your password anymore. It's about exploiting vulnerabilities. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics. They're looking for weaknesses in systems, not just your password. This means you need to think beyond just a strong password. One common method is session hijacking. Imagine someone stealing your car keys while you're still driving. That's essentially what happens when a hacker hijacks your session. They can intercept your login credentials or session cookies. This allows them to impersonate you without ever needing your password. Scary, right? Another technique involves exploiting vulnerabilities in websites and applications. Poorly coded websites can leave doors open for hackers to walk right through. They can inject malicious code to gain access. Don't underestimate the power of persuasion. Social engineering is a hacker's favorite tool. They manipulate you into giving them the information they need. Phishing emails, fake websites, and even phone calls are all part of the social engineering arsenal. They prey on your trust and curiosity. Always be skeptical of unsolicited requests. So, what can you do to protect yourself? The answer is multi-factor authentication, MFA. Think of it as adding extra locks to your door. MFA requires more than just a password. It could be a code sent to your phone, a fingerprint scan, or even a security key. This makes it much harder for hackers to break in. Beyond MFA, stay vigilant. Keep your software updated. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Be careful about clicking on links in emails or visiting suspicious websites. Always double-check the sender's address and the website's URL. Use a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. This prevents hackers from using one compromised password to access multiple accounts. The world of cybersecurity is constantly changing. Relying solely on passwords is no longer enough. You need to be proactive and take control of your security. Implement MFA, stay vigilant, and educate yourself about the latest threats. Your online security is your responsibility. Don't wait until it's too late. Ready to take your security to the next level? Enable multi-factor authentication on all your important accounts today. Share this video with your friends and family to help them stay safe online. Subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and tricks.